Just got your new JioTag 2 device? In this video, we'll show you how to power it on and off, reset it, pair it with your Android phone or iPhone, and use it to locate your valuables. Let's get started. To power on your JioTag 2, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. You'll hear a beep, and the light will flash 3 times, confirming that the device is powered on. Likewise, to power off the device, press the power button 5 times within 2 seconds. The device will beep and the light will flash 3 times, confirming that it has been powered off. Note that the tag will power off automatically after 10 minutes if it is not paired with any device. To reset the device, press the power button 4 times within 2 seconds. The device will beep. Then press and hold the power button for 8 seconds until it beeps again and the light flashes 3 times. Release the power button to complete the reset. Pairing your JioTag 2 is easy. JioTag 2 can be paired with both Android and iOS device. Let's start with Android first. You can use Fast Pair or manual pairing. Let's begin with Fast Pair. Ensure the latest version of the Google Find Hub app is installed on your phone and Bluetooth and location services are enabled. Once your JioTag 2 is powered on, a pairing prompt will appear on your Android phone screen via Google Fast Pair. Tap Connect to start pairing. Within moments, your JioTag 2 will be connected. Read the policy instructions and then tap Continue. Then tap on Turn On to grant location access. Soon, your JioTag 2 will be added to your Find Hub devices. Next, tap Open App. Tap Allow access to nearby devices. When the prompt appears, tap Allow to continue. That's it! Your JioTag 2 is now successfully paired with your Android phone. Now, let's see how you can pair the JioTag 2 manually. Tap Settings. Then scroll down and select Google. Tap All Services. Then tap Devices. Tap and enable Scan for nearby devices. When JioTag 2 appears under Available devices nearby, tap it to start pairing. JioTag 2 will then connect to your phone. Once connected, follow the same steps as Fast Pair to complete pairing. If the JioTag 2 is nearby, tap Play Sound and the tag will start beeping. To stop the beeping, tap Stop Sound. If the JioTag 2 is outside Bluetooth range, tap Get Directions. When Google Maps opens, tap Start. And follow the directions to locate your JioTag 2. To remove your JioTag 2, tap the Settings tab. Then tap Remove from Find Hub. Tap Remove. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Remove to proceed. And that's it. Your JioTag 2 will be removed from the My Devices list in Find Hub. Now, let's pair your JioTag 2 with an iOS device using Find My. Ensure that Find My app on your iPhone is updated to the latest version and that Bluetooth and location services are enabled. Next, search for Find My in Apps and tap to launch it. Then, tap the plus tab in Items. Select Other Item. Once the JioTag 2 appears in the search results, tap Connect. Name your JioTag 2 and tap Continue. Customize it by choosing an emoji and then tap Continue. Tap Finish. That's it! Your JioTag 2 is now successfully paired with your iOS phone. If the JioTag 2 is nearby, tap Play Sound and the tag will start beeping. Tap Stop Sound to stop the beeping. If the JioTag 2 is outside Bluetooth range, tap Directions. When Apple Maps opens, tap Go and follow the directions to locate the JioTag 2. To remove the JioTag 2 from your iOS device, scroll down and tap Remove in Settings. Tap Remove. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Remove to proceed. And that's it. Your JioTag 2 will be removed from the devices list in Find My. JioTag 2 can only be paired with one operating system at a time. Before switching between iOS and Android or pairing it with another device, make sure to remove it from the current app and reset the tag. And that's all it takes to get started with JioTag 2. Now you can locate your important items quickly and confidently whenever you need them.